Don't put muck all over my pavements. What's in here? Look at the water running down the street. Not a drop out of there.
Okay, I'm calm. I'm reasonably calm. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Underneath, everything has gaps to allow the water to flow through to the earth below. And it's something we'll all have to get familiar with. According to government proposals, as of autumn this year, if you want to lay a patio or any sort of paving, you're going to have to either apply for planning permission, which you won't be guaranteed to get, or lay some of those. But will porous paving really make a difference? Ready? We've calculated the volume of water that fell on Hull in last year's floods. On an area this size, that's 240 litres.
Mine's working. Mine's not.
The normal paving looks horribly familiar, but the porous paving's soaking it up.
God, my permeable one's completely dry. But yours... Quite bad, isn't it? That's terrible, isn't it?
And if you think as well, most people have got surfaces, haven't they, like this?
Yeah.
And if this was the amount of water which fell in Hull, for everyone to have that and for it to go down the drains, you can see how it would really
Overflow
start
them.
to,
Yeah. So Louise, does this make you feel differently about the kind of paving you want to use in the future, or maybe your neighbours might use?
Yeah, I think it would be daft not to consider something like that.
Yeah, I mean, this is absolutely fantastic.
It's pretty impressive, but is porous paving really a solution to surface water flooding?
Well, on its own, no, but anything that allows water to run into the ground has got to help. And if you do need to use paving, there's no doubt that this stuff is definitely more flood friendly. Okay, I'm calm. I'm reasonably calm. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at that.
What's me better? Don't put muck all over my pavements. What's in here? Look at the water running down the street.
Okay, I'm calm. I'm reasonably calm. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at that.
Tower Moore has rejuvenated the paving industry by bringing fresh ideas to consumers. Now taking inspiration from nature, they have developed a paving and drainage system in one product. The HydroPave system performs as well as any other high-quality paving, but it has the added advantage of eliminating the need for unsightly and costly drains. By using nature as its model, HydroPave allows water to flow into a holding bank of crushed stone. The water then gently filters at a gradual rate through a specially designed geotextile that surrounds the crushed stone, releasing it naturally into the ground. If the ground has no soakage, a consistently slow rate of water can be channeled through a filtered drainage pipe into a secondary drainage system. This helps to lessen the load on main drainage and reduces flooding. The beauty of the HydroPave system is its simplicity. Whether private or industrial, large or small scale, this system can benefit everyone. To demonstrate the speed and ease of the HydroPave system, we're going to view a real-world example in one of the most beautiful and wettest areas in Ireland, Kenmare, County Kerry. From a barren, exposed site to a beautifully finished paved roadway in a matter of days. The installation takes place in steps and can be installed in any weather condition. After marking out the specific area that is to be paved, it is dug out to the appropriate depth. The depth will be predetermined by the engineer to facilitate the site requirements. After the correct depth has been achieved, a geotextile is fitted, covering the bottom and sides of the area. Once completely installed, 20 to 5 mm coarse graded aggregate is layered on top. This aggregate acts as the water bank, holding water until it gently filters back into the ground. The gaps in the blocks are kept consistent. A light compaction with a vibrating plate prepares the coarse aggregate for the 6 mm grit. The grit is layered on top and the curb acts as a guide for the correct levels of the paving. The 6 mm grit is screeded to a specific level under the curb. The gaps in the blocks are kept consistent, levelled. The paving begins. By the spacers, the water easily flows through these gaps into the crushed stone. Keeping an eye on the levels and straight lines, this process goes at a ferocious pace. The finished paved area is then compacted using a vibrating plate. After this is completed, a 6 mm grit is spread all over the area and swept into the joints, ensuring the joints are filled. This adds firmness and stability to the paving blocks. Once completed, the excess grit is swept off and the process is complete, ready for use. So whether domestic or industrial, HydroPave creates a beautiful, low-maintenance, environmentally friendly and self-contained system at an affordable price. HydroPave, helping us replicate nature through paving.
What's me, Barry? Don't put muck all over my pavements. What area? Look at the water running down the street. And not a drop out of there. Not a drop out of there.